say, Dizzy, Dizzy, Dizzy. Hello, hello, here is Joe. Hello, hello,
Where?
Dizzy Deliveries to you. Let's make a sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Ah, hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Today, I'm very busy. I'm tidying up the depot. It's a mess.
Hello, Joe.
Oh!
Hello, Ozzy. Why is the place so messy? Well, it's time to deliver. You will be delivering a printer and glasses to the train station.
Good.
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Sophie.
Sophie and her family will help you with your deliveries. Joe, can you keep a secret? Shh.
Yes, I'm really good at keeping secrets.
There's a very important person coming to the platform today, so we need to tidy up.
I'm really good at tidying up. Where is Sophie?
Ozzy.
Ah, there you are. Hello, Sophie. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Will you help me with my deliveries?
Yeah.
Wait there. Oh. Because we're going on a train, I'm going to need my Dizzy Delivery bag.
Bad.
But where is my bag? I know. Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Sophie, today is a very big day.
It is.
Somebody special is coming to the train.
Say.
But it's a secret.
Oh.
Let's love sign. Train. Train. You sign. Train. Good. Train.
Come on, let's get our ticket. Come on down. In here.
Shh, I'm the special person. But don't tell anybody.
Two tickets, please.
No.
Why?
Why?
My printer is broken. Look.
Voting.
I have a delivery for you. Wait here. One printer.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now you can print our tickets for the train.
Don't tell anybody.
Sophie, I got two tickets. Come on, everybody.
Welcome.
I have tickets.
No.
Why?
Because I can't see.
Why?
Because I don't have my glasses.
Let's love sign. Glasses. Glasses. You sign. Glasses. Good. Glasses.
I can't see.
Wait, I have a delivery for you. Glasses.
No. Those glasses are for drinking. Thank you.
Woohoo! We're going on the train. Let's go! Wave at some people! I love the train! Sophie, what can you see from the train? A tree? A river? I'm tired.
Train's coming.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Oh, Sophie, let's get the platform tidy for our special guest. Oh, our special guest is coming here. We need to tidy up.
Yeah. Baby rabbit.
Let's love sign. Tidy up. Tidy up. You sign. Tidy up. Good. Tidy up.
We need to tidy up.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I have things to make it nice.
Alright.
Oh! Aha! In there. Thank you. And this one.
Bear.
Hey! That's my shoe!
Sophie, this picnic we made is amazing. Our special guest is going to love it.
Wow!
Welcome, Seamus.
Thank you. It looks amazing. Did you make this sandwich? Wow! You did! Wow! Thank you. It's amazing.
That's for you. Thank you.
Can I have one?
This one.
I made a mess.
Ugh.
It's just Sandy.
Cheers, Mr. Train Driver. This is the way we eat our cake.
Eat our cake. Eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake. Eat our cake. Eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake all day long. Well, it's time to go. See everyone, bye.
Boy, where are you going with all the sandwiches?
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Joe.
Bye, Joe.
Bye.
Bye, Joe.